Hostarmada Review. What is Hostarmada? Hostarmada is a web hosting company that provides a range of hosting services including shared hosting, VPS hosting, dedicated CPU servers, and cloud hosting solutions. Managed web hosting solutions, bringing the success of your next online mission. Starting at $2.49 including free SSL, free domain, free website transfer, free optimization. Hostarmada also offers shared and WordPress. Web hosting at $2.49 a month. Reseller web hosting at $21 a month. VPS and dedicated CPU. Web hosting at $29.95 a month. Excellent customer rating. Hostarmada had garnered positive reviews from many customers, earning them an excellent rating in terms of customer satisfaction. This high rating is likely attributed to factors such as their reliable hosting services, fast performance, security features, and responsive customer support. If you need to buy hosting with discount with Hostarmada, you can find the link below this video description. Who should use Hostarmada? Hostarmada is suitable for a variety of users, including individuals, bloggers, freelancers, and hobbyists looking to host personal websites or portfolios. Small businesses, startups, and small businesses needing reliable hosting for their company websites, online stores, or web applications. Developers, web developers and designers who require a platform to host client websites or projects. Medium to large enterprises, businesses requiring scalable hosting solutions for high-traffic websites or complex applications. E-commerce stores, online retailers who need secure and reliable hosting for their e-commerce websites. Anyone requiring reliable hosting, essentially, anyone seeking dependable hosting services with excellent performance, security, and customer support can benefit from Hostarmada. Why choosing Hostarmada? Here are some key reasons why someone might choose Hostarmada. Reliable uptime and performance, strong security features including free SSL certificates. Scalable hosting options for growth, responsive 24/7 customer support. Competitive pricing with user-friendly interfaces. Click in the link below this video description to buy your web hosting with Hostarmada at a reasonable price. Thank you for watching our video. Please like and subscribe. We appreciate your help.